This is the game we are going to be playing for Somnia Odyssey Season 6. And this game, like so many other games, we played it during testnet, and right now it is time for us to play it on mainnet. The game is very easy. All you have to do is move around and swallow items, alright? You control this black hole simply by moving around, and you swallow all items you see here. Every item you see here that you swallow makes your black hole to be bigger, and as your black hole gets bigger, you get more points, and it is very easy to complete. In this video, I want to show you how to complete this game, alright, so that you can also claim your Somnia Odyssey Season 6. You can see that apart from swallowing items with your black hole, every item you see here that is smaller than you can be swallowed. You can also swallow other players if you are bigger than them, and once you are bigger than them, you simply swallow them, and then you can claim your reward, and then you can get more points and claim reward. Anybody that is bigger than you, avoid them, because if anybody is bigger than you, they simply can swallow you as well, and your game will end. This black hole game is the first green task we are playing for Somnia Season 6. As you can see here, you need to claim 50,000 points in the game so that you can claim the reward, and I'm going to show you how to complete all of that. Other ones here are tasks that are not really compulsory, but you can complete them to get more XP and to also get stars. Now, you know that I've always been telling you that Somnia Odyssey is going to be very important in Somnia's Season 5 airdrop reward. Now, if you have been completing this task, you must have noticed that all of the tasks that we have completed before, there are NFTs we need to mint, NFT key that we need to mint, and these keys are going to be very important for future airdrop reward. So all you need to do is to go to all of the planets from the beginning, click on mint for each of them, and mint the NFT key you see here. This is for those that completed all the green tasks on Somnia Odyssey. Any planet, any week that you completed all of the green tasks, you are eligible to claim the key reward. So I confirm that now. You can see you are not being charged. It is free to claim it. All you need to do is pay for gas fee, which is very little amount of SOMI token. So once you do that minted, you can mint for all of the planets from planet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the ones that we have completed. If you completed the green task, so just go ahead and check. And now for Somnia Season 6, for Odyssey Season 6, these are the tasks you need to complete. So let us return back to BlackHole so that we can complete all of the tasks. So when you're here, you click on go. It brings you here, right? First thing you should do is to connect your wallet. Always use the same wallet you used for Somnia Mainnet, for Somnia Airdrop, and for Somnia Odyssey. So once your wallet is connected, it is on Somnia network automatically. Now you can set your name, player name. Go ahead here and simply type your name. All right, so now that my name is set, I simply click on go. This game can also be played on mobile. So once the game starts, this is how you control it. You can notice that at the top here, there's 2 minutes, right? This game is going to last for 2 minutes. Each round will last for 2 minutes, and on the right hand side here, you will see the leaderboard. That is for other players that are playing the game with you. All you have to do is to move around using your mouse. All right, this game can also be played on your mobile phone. If you have a mobile phone that is good, all right, that can carry the load of the game, you can play it on your mobile phone. So you can see that each item you swallow gives you 1 point. Okay, each item you swallow increases your size. All you need to do is start from little items that you are bigger than. Any item that you are bigger than, you can simply swallow that item and you become bigger. Let's see. Okay, I can swallow this now. The more items you swallow, the bigger you become. And also, I've told you that you can swallow other players if you are bigger than them. But if other players are bigger than you, they can actually swallow you and they will take your points and your game will end. So avoid other players that are bigger than you. Swallow every items that you are bigger than, and you will continue to grow. There we go. So I am just moving around, picking up everything on my path. It is very easy to play this game. Just drag and swallow. Let's go. We have 29 seconds left. Okay, We have 29 seconds left. You can see the timer at the top left corner, right? So let's go. Yep, 2 seconds to go and it has ended, right? So we can see that it has ended, and on Odyssey you need 50,000 points. All I got here is 11,644. I came first from this particular game we played here. So 11,644. The next thing you must do after completing is after completing the game like this is to click on claim. You need to click on claim and claim it with your wallet so that your points that you got from the gameplay will be recorded on your wallet. I'm going to show you that after claiming. So I'm going to click on confirm, and you can see that my point, this is my point here, 11,644 has been recorded here. This is because I claimed. If you do not claim, your point will not be recorded. So I've gotten 11,644, but I need 50,000 points on Somnia Odyssey. So what do? I simply click on next and I click on go so that I can play the game again. I'll need to keep playing until I get 50,000 points. So now I'll just go ahead and start playing automatically. This is how I like to play the game, because on this side here I'm going to find items that are little that I can swallow while my black hole is still not that big. This other player is very little. What happens? You see that I just swallowed this player and I increase in size. All right, I increase in size and I got a lot of score. If you can swallow other players that are bigger than, it will give you more points to swallow when you swallow them. Your black hole swallows everything that is smaller than it on its parts. This other player, I'm bigger than this player. I swallowed the player, and you can see that my point jumped and my black hole also got a lot bigger. Time for me to go for these buildings. So yours is just that building is too big. I will leave it. I will go for something else I can swallow. Okay. Am I bigger than this player? Yes, bigger than him. I've swallowed him and I got bigger. You can see this player is bigger than me. Avoid. I'm going to run away if he comes close to me, because he's going to swallow me whole if he comes close to me at all. So avoid him. Okay, there's another player that I'm bigger than. I'm pretty sure I can swallow this player if we meet together. Watch what happens here. Boom, I've swallowed him, right? I got bigger. We have less than 30 seconds to go. So keep swallowing whatever is on your path. I will come here. All these buildings are smaller, so I can swallow them all. Yeah. So let's go to the right. Two seconds left. That's it. So I still came first again with 15,000 points. What do? I need to click on claim again to claim it, to claim these points into my wallet. Confirmed. I can see that now I have 27,000 points. I need to click on next to play again. If I should play twice again, I think I should have enough points to claim the Somnia Odyssey. Swallowed. Let's go. I'll go for this street light. I go for this car. I go for this second street light. I go for this car again. Then I go for these waste bins. You can always swallow waste bins anytime. I swallowed two players at the same time. That makes me got a lot bigger. I go for all these cars here. Another player swallowed. There's somebody ahead. I am second from the leaderboard. You can see the leaderboard. It doesn't really matter. What matters is your own points. So it is not like the game we played in week 5, where you need to come first, second, or third in order for you to get points. This place, you just need to swallow your points. You swallow every item you see on your way so that you can get bigger and claim your points on Odyssey. Let me go for these buildings here. All these buildings here, I can swallow them because they are smaller. Oh, not so much, not so much. Go. Let me see. Can I swallow this player here? Yep, player swallowed. Let's go, let's go. 30 seconds to go. I have 9,000 points. So I need to make that point more. 10,000 points now. Let me take up all this building. Yep. 10,000 points, 10,000 points. Let's see. 11,000. Let's go, let's go. 8 seconds to go. Can I make it 12,000? Can I make it 12,000? 12,000. Yep, 12,000 points. So I'm going to click on claim. Come to think of it, this game is quite fun to play. I think it is fun to play. So I'm just going to click on claim again. What happened? Confirm. 39. Now I have 39,000 points. I still need 50,000. So what do I need to complete it now? I think I need 11,000 points to complete it. So if I click on next, if I get 11,000 points from this next game, then I can claim the Somnia Odyssey. So this is my last chance. And we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Street lights taken. Pickup van taken. Yep. Waste bins, waste bin. Cars. Just go ahead and destroy everything on your path. I think I need to look for other players that I am bigger than that I can swallow so that I can go faster. Yep, I've swallowed one player. That just gave me a jump. You can see that I just jumped to number 2 on the leaderboard, right? Yeah, this is nice. This is nice, man. Let's go. Let's go. Can I take this building? Can I take this building? Yep, building taken. Another. Let's go. $23. I already have 11,000 points, so I think I am good to go. If this game ends now, I think I have completed 50,000 points. Let me just go and swallow this other player. It's very little, so can I? Boom, taken. So that player is gone. I have 17,000 points. Even at that, I am number 2, but it doesn't really matter. So 70,000 points plus my existing 39,000. That should be enough to give me 50,000 points. So let's see. And confirm. Yep, so I have 56,000 points now. So what do? I go to Somnia Odyssey, obtain 50,000 points in BlackHole. I click on verify, and what is that? Completed, right? So this is completed. Now, this is the game you need to play, and this is the first green task that you need to complete on Somnia Odyssey. Now, probably I will make more videos to show you how to complete this particular one. Stake the rarity 8 Moon Pass NFT. Remember that even though you are completing this task to claim your Somnia Odyssey, please remember, I have always told you that Somnia Odyssey, all these points we are accumulating on Somnia Odyssey, this XP we are accumulating, these verified tasks we are completing, they are going to be used to give us a reward for Somnia Season 5. And always come to claim your keys, all right? For each of these weeks that you have completed, claim your keys. And after claiming your keys, please do not sell them. There are people that are already selling their keys for less than $1 on OpenSea. Why would you do that? Please don't do that. Keep your keys in your wallet and be ready for whatever may come, because they have said it that this is going to be very important. And these blockchains, they don't do things unless they have plans for them. So keep your keys, play your Somnia Hole, and use your BlackHole to get as much points as you can. If you have any questions, please do drop them in the comment section to let me know. If you have any place you need help, let me know so that I can always guide you through. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends, and bye for now.